Coming off! Nah, hey. I have to do a drone shot. Got some job to do. You got a job to do. And let me clean this lens. Yes, we got a job today. I have to do a drone shot for one of my friends. So after I do that, then yeah, I'm going home. Yeah. Oh yeah. I can't lie, this coat is coming off.
It's hot, innit?
Because I'm hot.
You're hot like a heater.
What did she say?
Back. Yes, it's coming off and it's getting flung. So right now I'm using.
Make me drive slow, you know.
Right now I'm using a camera on full auto just to see if I like it, because it's so long having to like move dials and change dials every time when I'm actually just trying to film. So right now, yes. Yeah. Right now I'm just chilling, baby.
I'm with the gang, boys having out of coops.
So these men arrived late, yeah, and this guy is still.
Bro, what I went through to just get here, bro. Hey.
Lord.
Hello. Is your girlfriend good?
Ghanaians are always late, and it's the truth. Yes, I'm not Ghanaian. I was born to a Ghanaian household. It doesn't mean I'm Ghanaian. You saying, bro? Good. Yeah.
You're not Ghanaian, yeah?
No, I'm not Ghanaian.
At this point, I gave up on that active tracking because it kept on giving me issues. For some reason, when Michael was not moving, it just wouldn't pick him up unless he started moving. So I had to literally control it myself, and it came out way better. And I can't lie, I couldn't really see how much glare there was in this video. I did have a ND filter on the drone, but so much glare. So we decided to do the shot again, and it came out way better. I mean, the colors right now could be better, but this is how it looks with a little bit of saturation boost, which I actually liked.
So quick update. I haven't abandoned you guys, but quick update. Yeah, we're still at the park. Yes, we're still at the park right now, shooting whatever they're shooting. I don't know what they're shooting. And this one too is bringing this, but I should have brought the board. He didn't even bring the board. Look at this one. Look at this one. I don't know. Oh my God! Hey, let me ask you to dance for us.
Oh my God, nah. He's banned from he's actually banned from dancing. I can't take your step.
Nah. Hey, he moves like me, bro. Hey. Nah, hey.
He pisses me off.
No, bring the board as well, yeah. Christian, bring the board.
He is.
Nah. The only person I can stand doing that dance shit is actual speed.
Yeah.
Anyone else that does, I'm like, sit the hell down, bro.
Just rub it.
I'm like, sit down, bro. Sit down. Oh God. Yes, guys, so we're still here. We've been held hostage. That's right. We've been held hostage by the Ghanaians. And you're not Ghanaian, but you're Ugandan, man. Yeah.
I'm Nigerian.
I'm Ugandan. I wish I could play football and join in, but I can't play football to save my life. I can't dance to save my
You
life.
can't dance, you can't play football. What can you do?
I can play basketball though. I'm very good at basketball somehow. No, I'm very good at boxing because I've been doing boxing.
He has anger issues.
Yeah, I've been doing boxing. No, I actually done boxing for.
He has anger issues, that's why.
No, I actually done boxing for your GCSE.
Yeah, because you've got anger issues, that's why you're good at it.
Yeah, I got boxed in my head.
Really?
Yeah. I'm joking. I got disqualified because I kept on punching people in the heads. Automatically, I was just like doing it. I don't know why. Yeah.
Because you were angry.
They told me to sign up for professional. Like, fuck no. I ain't trying to die and start speaking like.
They'll actually beat you up.
Nah, it messes up your speech, man. When you get punched in the wrong angles.
Really?
Yeah. Why do you think most of these boxers can't speak properly?